guys, it's Hunter over at Stellhorn RV. Today we're taking a deep look into the Flagstaff 26 BHW. So starting off on the outside here, you have a nice big pass-through. So this one does come with this nice slider. So it comes with a griddle that you can put on the outside. Comes included with this. Obviously you have your power cord and a table as well. But this is super nice, not having to reach all the way in to try and get some of your stuff. You can pull it out, get to that stuff easier. This does have your power stabilizers as well, power tongue jack. It does have a nice big awning out here with LED lights underneath. That way it's going to cover both your entrances. It does have outdoor speakers as well, along with all these nice windows. These windows do open up, so you can open them if it is raining outside. So that's super nice, still get some air inside there. But follow me, let's take a look inside. So here in the bedroom, you got plenty of room in here. This does have a small slide for the closet. This still gives you three nice cabinets here for hanging up all your stuff, whatever you want to put in here. And then underneath your nice bed, you do have storage underneath, along with some drawers here as well, and then storage up above. Nice thing about these Flagstaff is the fully walkable roof, so it's nice and sturdy. You can walk up there if you need to do anything up there. But taking a look inside here, you have a nice kitchen, plenty of room in here. You have a little counter space that does come up if you want some extra counter space. You have a 3-burner grill, oven, microwave, and some decent amount of storage in here as well, along with drawers. You do have a 12-volt fridge inside of here, so you have plenty of room in here. It does open either way, so whichever way you're needing to open it, you can do that, which is nice. And then here you do have some nice theater seating, so nice and comfy, obviously reclines. So yeah, it's super nice. Over here, you do have a nice island here. So this is one of my favorite parts. You don't see this in a lot of bunk room options like this, but you do have two stools here for the table. So you're still having a table feel without having the big, dinette and taking up a bunch of space. Lastly, here in the bunk room, this is a nice bunk room because it can be not a bunk room if you want it to be, if you just want it to be kind of your normal table. So this does turn into a bed like here, or you can have the table up, and then you have your ladder here, and this does fold up as well. You can put a TV here if you wanted, which is really nice. It has a curtain that closes to separate this if you do have guests in here, but plenty of nice big storage here to give you plenty of room for all your stuff. Lastly, it does have a nice big bathroom in here, so you have plenty of room. The nice thing about the Flagstaff is they do have the shower meister, so you can turn that on and it'll get your water hot before you get going. So that's super nice. You don't have to waste a bunch of water for when you're wanting to take a shower, but plenty of room in here. So come in, ask for Hunter, we can check this out together.